Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use 7 health features for this watch. The first feature is about heart rate measurement. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to swipe left like this, and you have to keep swiping, and you will see an option for heart rate measurement. So I will show you how does it look like. Okay, so here is the heart rate measurement option. So it's written here BPM, and then there is a heart icon. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, you have to wear your watch on your wrist, but you have to wear it on this side on top, and you have to wear it properly. Okay, so you have to wear it tightly, and then what you have to do, you have to select this measure option. So what I will do, I will just rest it on my palm like this. Okay, and then I select this measure option. So once you select it, it will start measuring your heart rate. Okay, so here you can see it is preparing, and now it start measuring, and it is show you in the percentage form. So now you can see it is completed 100%, and here you can see it is showing my heart rate, and it is also showing if it is higher than average or lower than average. Okay, the next thing is the tag option. So you can tag your heart rate as well. So if you just select this tag option, so here you can select the tag. If you are in general, you are in resting phase, you have done your exercise, or before exercise you are tired, unwell, so you can tag it any of these options. The next feature is also about heart rate measurement, but it is automatic heart rate measurement. So what you have to do, you have to just scroll it upside like this, and you will see this icon for Samsung Health. Just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, so I will scroll it down, and you will see this option of heart rate. Just select it. Once you select it, here again you have to scroll down. So if you just scroll down all the way down, you will see this option of settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can see it is showing me 3 different options: measure continuously, every 10 minutes while still, or manual only. So if you want to select the measure continuously, it will continuously measure your heart rate. Okay, and then here you can see it is also showing you the heart rate alert. So for example, if you want an alert, you can enable this option. Okay, so for example, I can enable it, and then you can also customize it. So currently it is set to 120 bpm, but if you want, you can just select it, and you can change it from here. Okay, like this, and then you press done. So now you can see heart rate set to 130 bpm. If you just select this lower heart rate, currently it is set to 40 bpm, and you can also enable it if you want to receive the heart rate alert. Okay, so this is how you can set it to automatic option for heart rate measurement. But please remember, you have to keep wearing your watch to measure it properly. The next feature is about ECG measurement. So you have to scroll like this, and then you have to keep scrolling, and you will see an option for ECG measurement. So I will show you after the blood pressure. So here is the ECG measurement. So what you have to do, you have to select this option of learn more. Just select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you to download the app. Okay, so here you can see download the app. So now what you have to do, you have to use your phone. Okay, so I will just bring my phone, and then what I will do, the first thing, I will select this option of download the app. Okay, so once you select it, it will automatically open the app on your Galaxy Store on your mobile phone. Okay, now we have to do everything on our phone. Okay, so what you have to do, just select this install option. It start installing this Samsung Health Monitor. So our app is installed now. So I will open this Samsung Health Monitor app, and then here what you have to do, you just have to accept it. Okay, and then you have to select this all permissions, and then you have to press done. Okay, and then here you have to create your profile. So I will just put my profile name, then you can put your date of birth, your gender, and then press continue. Okay, and then you can select this option of allow. okay. And then if you want to improve security, you can set up lock screen, but I don't want it now. I can select not now. Now here what you have to do, you can see there are two options showing at the bottom, blood pressure and ECG. So I will select ECG. Okay, now what you have to do, you just select this option of get started. Okay, so once you select this get started option, here it will show you how the ECG app works. Okay, so here you can see all the information is given. You just select next. Okay, and then here you can see, you may see one of these results. So these are the results that you will see in your ECG, and then you select next. Okay, and then it will again show you some information that you should know ECG app never looks for signs of a heart attack. Okay, and then it is also show you some warnings. So you just select next from here, and then here again it will show you some warnings, some information. You can just select next. Okay, and now what you have to do, you can select the wrist orientation. So if you want it left, you can set it to left and then press next. Okay, and then what you have to do, it will show you everything is set. You have to wear your watch now, and then you can start recording your ECG. So here I will press done. Okay, so everything is done now. Now what I have to do, I have to use my watch. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to wear your watch on your wrist, wear it properly here on this position. And now what I have to do, I will select this ECG measurement option again. Okay, and then I will go back to ECG measurement. Okay, so you have to just scroll it, and here is our ECG option. Now here you can see it is showing you the option of record, because the app is already installed on my phone. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just select this record option, and here it is showing you the information how you have to wear your watch. Okay, if you just scroll down, it is giving you more information about this ECG measurement, and then you select OK. Now what you have to do, you have to rest your finger lightly on the home key. So what I will do, I will just put it on my hand like this, and then I have to just use this home button. I have to use my finger, and I will just put it on top of this home button. Okay, and then here you can see it start taking the measurement, and here you can see it will take 30 seconds. But please remember, you don't have to press the button. You just have to keep your finger on the button. You don't have to press it. So now here you can see it will take 30 seconds. It start recording. Okay, so you can see it is showing you all the information that you need, and here at the end you can see it will show you all the results. So here you can see the results are visible on your watch. Okay, and it's showing you about sinus rhythm. Okay, and if you just scroll down, it is giving you more information. Okay, and then here you can see you can add if you are feeling unwell. Okay, and then once you finish, you can press done. The same information, if you want to see, it is also showing you on your phone on the same Samsung Health Monitor app. So here you can see it is showing you more information in details with this graph, and then if you want, you can also share this report. Once you select it, here you can select any platforms where you can share your ECG report. The next feature is about stress level measurement. So again, you have to swipe it left, and then you have to keep swiping, and you will see an option of stress measurement. So I will just keep swiping, and I will show you. So here is the stress measurement option. So here what you have to do, you have to again wear your watch on your wrist on this side on top, and then what you have to do, you select this option of measure. So I will just rest it on my hand like this, and then I select measure option. So here you can see it start preparing, and then it will show you the stress measurement. Okay, so here you can see it start the measurement process, and it will show you the percentage. Once it will be 100%, it will show you all the results about your stress level. So here it is showing me the result, but if you want to see more detailed results, what you have to do, you have to press this button to go back. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to scroll upside like this, just scroll it, and here you see this Samsung Health app. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have to scroll down, and here you will see the option of stress. So here is the stress option. Just select it. Once you select it, here now it is showing you your stress level is average, and then if you just scroll down, it will show you the breathe option. So it is showing you if you want to start breathing, you can select the cycles, you can select the time, and then you can start this breathing session. And then if you scroll down, you can also see this option on your phone. The next feature is about sleep tracking. So for sleep tracking, we have to use our phone. Okay, so what I will do, I will just show you. So in your Samsung phone, you have this pre-installed app. Name of the app is Samsung Health. So if it is not available, you can download it from Galaxy Store. So you can just open this Samsung Health app, and then you have to scroll down, and you see this option of sleep. Okay, so I will show you. So here is the sleep option. Okay, and now you just select it. Once you select it, here you see on top right corner we have these three dots. So just select it. Once you select it, here it will show you all the option that you can set for your sleep tracking. The first one is set target. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can set the timing for your sleep. So how many hours you want to sleep. For example, I set the timing from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So this is how you can set your target from here. Okay, and then if you go back, again select these three dots. The next option is snore detection. Just select it. Once you select it, if it is disabled, you can enable it, and it will record your snore while you are sleeping. But make sure your phone is near to you and you wear your watch to record your snoring. Okay, so here you can see I select always option, so always it detect my snoring, and it will also record the audio. I also enable this option. Okay, if you go back and then again select these three dots, then the next option is about blood oxygen during sleep. Just select it. So here you can see you can select this option of blood oxygen during sleep. You can enable it. If it is disabled, you can enable this option. Now again go back and then again select these three dots. Then the next option is sleep coaching. So you can select this option of sleep coaching, and here you can see it is showing you all the option, and it is give you the coaching option regarding your sleep. The next feature is about blood oxygen measurement. So you have to scroll upside like this, and you see this Samsung Health app. Just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, and you will see this option of blood oxygen. Okay, so I will show you. So here is the blood oxygen option. Just select it. Once you select it, what you have to do, you have to wear your watch on your wrist on upside like this, and then you select this option of measure. So what I will do, I will just use my palm, and then I will select this measure option. Okay, and then here it is showing you the instruction how you have to wear your watch. Okay, and where you have to put your elbow on a table, okay, in this position, and then you hold your wrist near your heart. Okay, and then start measuring blood oxygen, and I press OK. So now here you can see it is saying that stay still, and it is start measuring the blood oxygen level. So here you can see it will show you in the percentage form. It will take just few seconds to measure the blood oxygen, and then it will show you the results. So here you can see it is showing me the blood oxygen level. It is saying 97%, also showing the heart rate 74 bpm, and here it is show you in this bar form as well. And then you can also tag it. So if you just select tag option, here you can select any option if you are tired, unwell, after exercise, at high altitude. So this is how you can tag your blood oxygen level. The next feature is about body composition. So you just have to scroll like this, and you will see the option for body composition. So here you select this option of measure. Okay, once you select it, here you can put your profile. So here, for example, you select your gender, and then you can select your height. Okay, so here I select height, and then I press done. Here you have to select your weight, so I just select weight and then press done. And now here it will show you some information. Okay, and then you have to scroll down, and here you see this option of how to measure. Just select it. Here again it will show you, you have to wear your watch on this position on your wrist. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to use your middle finger and your ring finger on these buttons. You don't have to press them, you just have to keep your fingers here. And then here you have to raise your arms away from your body, and then you can start measuring your body composition. So I will rest it on my hand like this, and I press OK, and then I will just use my two fingers like this. Okay, and here you can see it start measuring. Okay, and okay, so here you can see it is asking me to wear it properly because I rest it on my hand. So I will do it again. So here you can see it is now showing me the body composition. Okay, so skeletal muscle, the fat mass, body fat, it will show you everything in the percentage form, the BMI, the body water, the BMR. Okay, so here you can see it is also showing you the tips. Okay, and then here if you scroll down, it will also showing you the option for show on the phone. Okay, and you can select this note option as well. So if I just scroll up, so here are all the results related to the body composition. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.